Oh wow, it is warm now.
Hello.
What's up, Chase?
No, I'm Wendy.
Wow.
Let's go. Skiing. Drop. Oh, I bumped into you. Stop, I'm trying to get something. No, I lost it.
That was awesome. Nice.
Guns up, kid.
Hey, what's up?
I can't see a thing. Where am I?
You want to sit on the tube? Are these living ones or are these dead ones?
These are alive ones that Baby wants to eat. What about the cousins?
I don't know how you do that barefoot. I can hardly handle these rocks. Wow. That is a big little, is it a minnow? The bass. That's a bass? The baby bass. Hey there, little buddy. It's time to wake up and go swim away.
I'll let him go.
Yeah, let him go.
Wait. Ready? Go. Go swim. Wait.
Oh, my toes getting power. Wow, you were super strong. Why?
Go! Almost. Wait, do you want to watch me skip this?
A double 360.
I'm gonna
So 720.
skip this alive clan.
Yep. We'll be gentle with those guys, so.
This is me. This is my dad. This is a poodle. It has lots of water in it though. It's like it's flooding. So we better put this like it's supposed to be.
Actually, that's upside down, but.
It's okay.
It's okay. Okay, you want to go through the portal?
Okay. Go fast.
Okay.
I'll take you it. Come back. go back to the portal. And hold the camera. And leave it.
Just growing long. Look, our grapes are getting ripe.
No, those are not all. Let's go back to our...
Oh, that's right. You're talking about. I dare you to lay down in this and get all wet.
But I want to be pulled up on a lake. You can have your interest.
What power did you get from that one? Quack, quack, quack. You get the duck power? Quack, quack, quack. Okay. Elaine, woohoo! Is she feeling better, you think? Treasure. She just seems sad earlier. Her tail's wagging now, so I think so. How are you doing, Liddy? Still super tired from all our partying? Yeah. All right, who's doing the next trick? I brought the camera out. Oh, a Treasure's doing the butt drag. All right. What's? Oh, it's her dance move. Oh yeah. Okay, who's doing the next trick? Okay, Elaine. Let's see it. Nice. That's really cool. Woohoo! Nice. Chase, you want to do one of your twisty flips? Do like your best, biggest twisty flip. That was sweet. Nice. Way to stick the landing. Oh man, that's fun. Are you cooking? No. Thanks for getting those buckets too. Are they all full? Just in case. They could use a little bit more. Some of them. And then I'll go turn the water off. That was great. Alright.
Okay, wait. Chase.
Can we pretend fight and then I'm gonna be on the
No, I have
Okay, you do these one that knocks me out and then I get I'm gonna get you. I haven't Shazammed yet. I'm immortal, that was close. Oh, you dead? Oh, the bad guys are fighting each other? Shazam! Hug attack! Hug attack! Victory!
I'm dead now.
Wait. I'm just gonna stand up here, see if you guys can get me down.
Okay.
Can you guys get me down?
Yeah. Ready?
Gotta remember, I just put on 20 pounds. Just watch out for him. Do this.
I'll knock you down in the air.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure? That was right on my Achilles tendon. I think it was your knee or your heel.
It was my knee.
I needed to get stretched down there. We all, oh no, he knows the magic song that will always make me fall.
Let's just get a basket, green and yellow basket.
Yeah.
Is that what she's singing?
Yeah, we all, a basket.
I wrote a letter to.
Oh, these are the words we all fall.
Oh my gosh, are you guys okay?
We all fall down. Those are the magic words. We stick together as a family, always, right?
That's
Come
called
up.
shedding.
We all fall down. Okay, just wrestle. Oh, wait, let's do one at a time.
Okay.
Okay, so playing first. You got my weak thumb. You got my weak thumb. Okay. You see how she was twisting my thumb?
Gotcha.
That's the thumb that I almost cut off. Ashley's.
Last
thing.
year?
Yeah. You can see the scar. All right, take your turn. Wait, how much do you want me to try?
What?
My full best, never take down?
How
Or-
about like 20% of full gas?
20%. Okay. 1 second.
Jump over us.
Oh, jump over us.
Oh, don't hurt anyone. Woo! That was amazing. You can jump far.
No, I can jump this far.